TPG ProjectPowerPack, PPP for short, is a modern PPM solution for the planning, execution and analysis of all projects within a company. Within PPP's clear dashboard interface, you can see your personal information with tasks, projects and risks. Here you can open the tasks that you're working on. For example, you can access information and open a project. On this page you can see the key project data, including traffic lights and the key financial figures. This allows you to view the current project status and understand which parts of the project have been completed. Would you like to see additional fields or fewer? Additional traffic lights or perhaps none at all? We've found that most companies don't utilise all of the functions straight away, and certainly not all at once. This means you are in control of all the features you want to use and activate them gradually, while your level of maturity in project management increases. Let's take a look at a few of them. You can also choose between Microsoft Project for the web or our TPG scheduler. The resources needed. Then you can simply plan in real time and see immediately whether there are any conflicts. Costs can also be recorded quickly and easily. Risks and problems, including the necessary measures, can also be entered here. All of this information is then automatically compiled into the status report. There is also another advantage of TPG ProjectPowerPack. The model reduces the initial financial investment. You will also benefit with upgrades from both us and Microsoft. And if you're already working within a Microsoft environment, you'll be able to combine your toolset and use it in a network. Would you like to find out more? We look forward to hearing from you and helping you take your project management to the next level.